Apple's $4 trillion milestone, a tech giant's triumph? But for how long? Apple has joined an elite club, becoming the third company to surpass the staggering $4 trillion market value mark. This feat, achieved on Tuesday, is a testament to the company's success, but it also raises questions about its future prospects in a highly competitive tech landscape. Apple's stock gained slightly during early trading, nudging its value over the $4 trillion line. This achievement is made even more impressive by the fact that only two other companies, Nvidia and Microsoft, have reached this milestone, with Nvidia's market value now soaring past $4.7 trillion. But here's where it gets controversial. Apple's performance this year has been relatively lackluster compared to its peers. While Nvidia, Alphabet, and Meta platforms have seen substantial growth, Apple has managed a modest 7.3% increase in 2025. This has led to concerns about Apple's AI initiatives, especially after NBC News reported on potential shortcomings in this area. However, the tide seems to be turning for Apple. A federal judge's ruling in September allowed Google to maintain its Chrome browser business, which indirectly benefited Apple. The ruling also permitted Google to continue paying for its search engine's presence on devices like iPhones, a deal that brings in billions of dollars annually for Apple. And this is the part most people miss. Apple's new iPhone Air, despite initial delays in China, sold out in minutes upon release. This, combined with positive analyst sentiments, suggests a potential shift in Apple's trajectory. In recent weeks, analysts from Evercore ISI noted that the demand for the iPhone 17 is outpacing last year's models, indicating a stronger-than-expected refresh cycle. Multiple other analysts have followed suit, upgrading their ratings for Apple stock. Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, has been actively engaging with political figures, including President Donald Trump, which has seemingly paid off. Most Apple products have avoided tariffs during Trump's trade war, and Cook's recent appearances with Trump in Japan further emphasized this relationship. In the past month, Apple's stock performance has outpaced competitors like Amazon and even rivaled Nvidia. However, with Meta's shares returning only 1.5% in the same period, the tech industry's volatility is evident. As Apple prepares to announce its earnings on Thursday, Wall Street analysts predict a positive outlook, anticipating quarterly revenue exceeding $100 billion. But will Apple's success continue, or is this a temporary high? The tech world eagerly awaits the answer. What do you think? Is Apple's $4 trillion market value a sign of sustained success? Or is it a fleeting moment in the ever-changing tech industry? Share your thoughts below.